For me, I think mobile commerce type of applications that enable people to basically transact using the mobile infrastructure. Because if you know that in Africa, internet penetration is quite low. A mobile broadband will give that a jump. So basically, if you put all the applications through the mobile broadband infrastructure, people should be able to transact and do commerce. I think by and large, payment solutions and applications that also bring government closer to the people. For example, like license renewal for cars, application for your ID and passport and all the like, and payment for utilities such as power, water, and the like. And I think if we balance these two, payments and the ability to transact with government, I think that will go a long way in taking Botswana to another level. Yes. In terms of the system, I think application developers need to be brought closer to the networks because the networks tend to want to do everything themselves. And on the other side, from a payment side, I think banks also need to be brought closer because you'd realize that in other markets, banks want to play in the mobile and the mobile want to play in the banks. But if the two were to sort of work together, I think it will go a long way in terms of lowering even the costs of deploying this type of services because obviously the investment will be balanced across. So I think banks on the other side and application developers on the extreme, and it will go a long way in taking Africa to another level in the space of mobile commerce. I think the focus on LTE as an opportunity for most operators to actually leapfrog internet penetration in Africa. I think this will go a long way in getting networks to even think about how they can fast track LTE rollout in Africa. So I think LTE classes and LTE presentations were the best in my view. Very good, very well organized to be honest with you. And also I can see that smaller players are coming to the plate. If you look at BTC, we are here for the first time sponsoring coffee. And we are there playing in the space of the MTNs and the Orange Group. So we're quite happy that smaller players are actually also claiming their metal in this whole thing.